Cryptocurrency. Crypto world crush.
Is crypto just too volatile to invest in?
Should you buy cryptocurrency in 2021? That is literally a $1 million question. No, actually, people are becoming millionaires off of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other cryptocurrencies. So get ready, let's buckle in, and we're gonna figure out if you should invest in crypto in 2021. I'm an analyst at heart, so let's go look at Google Trends and the search term cryptocurrency over the past 5 years. Over the past 5 years, we can see there are two main spikes in the interest of the topic cryptocurrency. The first was at the end of 2017, beginning of 2018. At this time, there was a major spike in Bitcoin price. In the 2016-2017 timeframe, Bitcoin price was well under $1,000 a coin. Towards the end of 17, there was a dramatic increase in Bitcoin price, almost to around $20,000 a coin. This huge spike in Bitcoin value was all due to one single entity. Basically, this one single person or company was manipulating the Bitcoin market to make it look like Bitcoin was super stable, and therefore the coin dramatically rose up in price. Now keep that little fact in the back of your head because we're going to need it later in this video. Obviously, the second major spike we see is happening right now in the cryptocurrency world. 2021 has seen a new crazy base of people investing in cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other cryptos have literally made people millionaires overnight. I mean, look at these charts. They are just insane. These spikes are due to a couple key factors. First, the pandemic has caused more and more people to really question the normal financial institutions. That's right, the institutions that hold your money and that control all the money of your country. Markets are literally being held up by governments, just printing money into the economy, trying to get it back on its feet. Because of this, everyone is losing trust in these centralized banks. And as all of you probably know, cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, are all decentralized, meaning no one entity owns it. Next, throughout 2020 and 2021, cryptocurrency has become way more mainstream than back then. Companies such as Tesla are now accepting Bitcoin as a valid form of payment. The fact that you can buy things with cryptocurrency is crucial for crypto to survive long term. Now, there has been a bit of a crash in the crypto markets over the past few weeks, and virtually all cryptos have lost a large chunk of their value. This was bound to happen anyway, as it did back in 2017, 2014, and a few other smaller times before. There's basically been a lot of pump and dump cycles for cryptocurrency. I do think that soon we will see a new baseline for the crypto market. So what does this all mean for all of you at home deciding whether or not you should invest or buy cryptocurrency in 2021? First, I'm going to give you the Debbie Downer view, the pessimistic view of cryptocurrency at its current state. I did mention this briefly a bit earlier in the video, but the number one problem in my eyes is that you can't use cryptocurrency widely to buy goods and services. You can't pay for Chipotle, your Target run, or even gas with cryptocurrency. This is a huge hurdle for Bitcoin and other cryptos out there. Remember, fundamentally, cryptocurrency is just that, a currency. Just think if the US dollar, the British pound, or the euro fluctuated in value as much as crypto did. The world would be in chaos if that were the case. Currently, cryptos are just not a viable form of currency, which is crucial for its future. Once this changes and crypto stabilizes because it's widely used, then you'll see crypto price gradually growing over time. Alright, so there's the currency problem, but then there's also one other big problem that I mentioned earlier. It seems like crypto markets, especially the lower coins like Dogecoin or Litecoin, are very easily manipulated. Just as Bitcoin was manipulated by that one single entity or person in 2017, we're seeing widespread manipulation in 2021 across all cryptos. Now, Dogecoin is a great example of this, with all of Elon Musk's tweets and all the news about Dogecoin fluctuating the price either up or down. Now, I'm not saying Elon Musk or others are intentionally manipulating these markets, but it just shows that crypto markets are very fragile when news comes out or when someone tweets. Now, yes, various news cycles impact other asset classes like stocks as well, but cryptocurrency and the crypto market as a whole sees way bigger moves. A 30% increase or decrease in a single day for crypto isn't really the end of the world. It's kind of normal. There is also one glaring security issue with cryptocurrency. Now, to wrap your head around this, you need to know how you can actually buy or trade crypto. First, you can trade the value of cryptocurrency on platforms such as Robinhood. In these cases, you're not actually owning the coin themselves. You're just trading, buying and selling the value of it like a stock. Next, you can use a virtual wallet like Coinbase or something else similar to actually own cryptocurrency of your own. In this case, it's almost like you're exchanging US dollar for this coin, and it's all being held electronically. Now, these virtual wallets are susceptible to hacking. There have been many cases where people will have their crypto wallets hacked and all of their coins stolen. And because the coin is not backed by one single entity, you really can't get it back. You can also lose access to your virtual crypto wallets if you forget a password or just can't get in. In these cases, you'll lose all of your crypto in that wallet. Lastly, you can actually get a physical wallet to hold your cryptocurrencies. Now, this way is actually the safest way of owning crypto, meaning you and only you have control over it. I won't go into detail about how this all works. If you want to learn more about the physical wallets, drop a comment down below. Alright, so now that I just ran through some negatives of cryptocurrency, let's go over some positives and upsides of crypto. First, I believe that crypto will be more widely adopted in the future, meaning the value of cryptocurrency will probably go up as a result. I do think crypto in its current state is undervalued, but it will take a very long time for crypto to actually catch up and be valuable, or rather usable by the public, and then the public will deem it as valuable. I think there will be a point where crypto skyrockets for valid reasons in the future, when you can actually go and pay for your gas or food with crypto. Next, the volatility of cryptocurrency could lead to some huge profits short term. We've seen this in real life with people becoming millionaires overnight. Now, with this comes the possibility that you could also lose a bunch of money overnight. I do believe over time the crypto markets will stabilize and we'll see way less volatility. Lastly, crypto is being adopted and bought by huge companies, and the public at large is starting to learn more about crypto. This is the key for crypto to explode in the future. The public really needs to get behind the idea of cryptocurrency in their everyday lives. So, knowing these pros and cons of crypto, what should you do? Buy or sell cryptocurrency? I'm actually going to break my answer up into two separate cases. First, we have the average Joe case. I'd put most people under this category. These are not hardcore investors. Maybe they just have a 401k or IRA and they're not really invested into anything else. I think the average Joe should keep their crypto investing to a minimum. And this is all because of the volatility of crypto. In my eyes, it's better for the normal average Joe to go invest in stocks and normal assets like real estate because they've been proven to give you a nice profit over time. For all we know, the crypto market could completely crash and burn in 10 years and never recover. The idea here is to minimize risk. Now, you can throw a little bit here, a little bit there into crypto, but to be safe, crypto is probably not your best bet. Now we get to the second scenario. This is for the seasoned veterans out there of investing. Maybe you're super into crypto. I would say yes. If you have a chunk of money where you don't care about losing a large amount of that money, I say yes, put it into crypto because of the possibility for huge short-term gains. Basically, the rule here is if you're okay with losing all of that money, you might as well put it in crypto and see what happens. I really equate crypto investing right now to gambling. I say this because crypto markets are very unpredictable and I don't want to see anyone lose any hard-earned money that they need. So will you be buying crypto or not. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe so you don't miss out on any future subscriber perks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.